Visadya Yoga. The first chapter is where you regret and say, I am powerless and I give up. Sankhya Yoga. The second chapter in your life is when someone wakes you up and say, hey come on, there's nothing to regret, doesn't change and you have the power to sail over all this. Then you wake up and you feel good. Karma Yoga. The third chapter tells you to act. Don't sit and worry. What about me? And what about me? Go and act. This is Karma Yoga. Fourth chapter tells you now that you are acting, you must also listen to knowledge. Don't become like machine and only act. Listen to knowledge as well. There is something beyond all this. Karma Viragya Yoga. The fifth chapter tells you about material and spiritual knowledge. You cannot say everything is being done and there is nothing for me to do. Or you cannot think I am doing everything. I did this and I did that. This is not going to work for you. Wait and see. Are things happening or are you really doing it? Abhyasa Yoga. Then the sixth chapter is when you learn to meditate. Paramahansa Vibhinaya Yoga. The seventh chapter tells you now that you are meditating. You should know the author of meditations and the one who is meditating in you. Who am I? What is time? Knowing all about science. Vibhuti Vistara Yoga. Like that it goes on when you meditate, miracles happen in your life. Wake up, see the miracles. Many don't observe miracles nor believe in it. If you recognize and believe in it, then it happen even more. Give a chance for miracles to happen. Don't be so steeped in the material causes and effect. I did this will happen or I did that and only that will happen. No, you did it but something else you also happen out of the blue. Recognizing that something different is Vibhuti. Vibhuti means giving a chance for miracles in your life, exploring it. Vishwarupa Darshana Yoga. Then after that is knowing the universal self and knowing that everything is in me and I am in everything. Bhakti Yoga. Then comes love and devotion. You know and understand all this, but then what? It is not enough. You should be in deep love. When you know that the divine loves you, you cannot but fall in love with divine. Kasetra Jan Vibhagya Yoga. Then you understand what are divine qualities and what are the demonic qualities, and you realize that you have all the divine qualities in you. Gunatra Vibhagya Yoga. Then there are the three qualities or guns, Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic, to everything, mind, ego and food. Sattvic ego is I am everything and everybody. The Tamasic ego is knowing that you are only this body, and the Rajasic ego is having a limited mindset and family into craving and aversion. Moksha Updesha Yoga. The final chapter is knowing that you cannot wash your own sins. Drop them and understand what is being said. I am here to take care of your sins. Feel that you are mine. Be connected to me and I will take care of everything. Just relax.